hinge repair, and deep cleaning on Asus Vivobook 14 laptop. Thank you, Sir Jonathan, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A comprehensive hinge repair and full deep cleaning service were performed on the Asus Vivobook 14 laptop to address both physical wear and internal performance issues caused by dust buildup. The unit was brought in with a loose and unstable hinge, which posed a risk of further damage to the screen, internal components, and casing if left unrepaired. Additionally, the laptop was experiencing elevated operating temperatures and fan noise, indicating the need for thorough internal maintenance. The procedure began with the careful and complete disassembly of the laptop. Upon inspection, it was confirmed that the hinge had become detached from its mounting point, causing misalignment and instability when opening or closing the display. The affected hinge area was cleaned and reinforced using proper tools and industrial-grade adhesives. Damaged screw mounts were repaired or replaced, and all connections were tightened to restore the original structural support. The hinge was then tested for proper alignment and smooth motion to ensure it could withstand regular usage without further strain on the casing. After the hinge repair was completed, attention was turned to the deep cleaning process. The internal components of the laptop, including the cooling fan, heatsink, processor area, and motherboard, had accumulated significant dust and debris over time. Using anti-static brushes, compressed air, and precision tools, all contaminants were carefully removed. This helped clear airflow paths, especially around the cooling system, to ensure efficient ventilation. The old, dried thermal paste on the CPU was also removed and replaced with a fresh application of high-performance thermal compound to enhance heat transfer and prevent overheating. Once cleaning was complete, the laptop was reassembled with care and subjected to several post-service tests. These included checking fan speed and noise levels, monitoring CPU temperature under load, and testing hinge functionality through repeated opening and closing cycles. All results showed a marked improvement in system cooling, quieter operation, and full hinge stability. This service has successfully restored both the physical and functional integrity of the Asus Vivobook 14 laptop. The repaired hinge now allows for safe and secure screen movement, while the deep cleaning has significantly improved thermal performance, reduced the risk of overheating, and extended the overall lifespan of the device. Hinge repair and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.